I needed more cleaning cloths and I like to use microfiber. So that's why I picked these up. And I wanted to kind of show you a little bit more about them so you kind of know what you're getting as well. So this is how big it is. It's important for me to go and show you because sometimes you'll get some and they won't be the size you think it is. Well, these are actually fairly big. As you can see, this is my head and it's pretty big. So it's not exactly super thick, which is perfect. I do see that it is lint free, so I don't see that there's going to be any lint on it, which is nice. It's really soft too. In the pack, you're going to receive 12 of these, and the size for these are 12 inches by 12 inches. So that's the size and how many you're going to get. Honestly, they're really soft, and I can see a lot of different uses for them. For me, I like to go and use them on my countertops, just because I don't know. That way I can just put it inside of the washing machine and I can reuse them. And that's what I like about these. So if you are looking for your own microfiber cloths that aren't going to leave lint around the place, whether it's going to be on your glasses or on your windows, then I highly recommend picking these up.